What's up guys? For today's video, I'll be talking about the gears that I use for my marathon training, plus a brief review of each gear na din, para alam nyo din if it's something that can help you with your own marathon training. So, I'm training for my first marathon in 2026. And here's the stuff that I'm actually using every time I go out for a run. I currently have 3 pairs of running shoes in my rotation. My stability shoe is the ASICS Gel Kayano 31. My race day shoe is the Adidas Adios Pro 4. I use my New Balance SC V3 as a walking shoe if I decide to go on a brisk walk during my active rest days. When I'm using my Adios Pro 4 and SC V3, I have a corrective insole from Fix-A-Foot since flat-footed ako. My running watch is a Garmin Forerunner 265 that is connected to my Strava, Garmin Connect, and my Polar H10 heart rate monitor. Most of my shorts and socks for training are from Decathlon. For race days, I have an Adidas Adizero shorts and a pair of compression pants from Under Armour. For shirts, wala akong pake. Kahit anong pambahay, all goods na yun. I also have a running vest from Top Speed na ang primary purpose is hawakan lahat ng kalat ko. Pag mataas ang araw, I also bring my Oakley Jawbreaker para saktong pogi lang tayo while may protection pa rin from the sun. Since yung route ko naman is a loop lang sa village namin, my hydration is basically tubig lang sa bahay with salt. Actually, kahit sa races, hindi ako nagbabaon ng hydration. Kasi kahit pangit ako, medyo choosy ako sa sinasalihan kong races. Most of the time, it's either Run Rio or Pinoy Fitness ang organizer, and from my experience, marami silang hydration stations lagi. For my fuel, I eat Nerd Clusters kasi nandidiri ako sa gels. Feeling ko gabis kon The only gear that I have for my recovery is a foam roller from Decathlon. To document my runs, I'm either using my Insta360 X3 or my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Depende kung anong shot ang goal ko. Grabe no, habang ginagawa ko tong vid na to, na-realize ko sobrang gastos ko pala. Ito palang pagtakbo kong may sala ng pagkapulubi ko. Okay guys, mabilis ang quick review for all the things that I mentioned. For the shoes, I'm happy with all of it. At the very least, get a gait analysis, meron namang free. I did mine at ASICS SM Mall of Asia. If the budget you have is enough lang for one shoes, get a daily trainer or stability shoes. That's all you really need. For cheaper alternatives, I would suggest going to Decathlon, or if you are from the south, go to Hacienda. I'm also happy with my Garmin, pero from what I've heard, the lower variants of Garmin does okay din naman, as well as Xiaomi and Huawei watches. For HR monitor, don't bother. Biggest purchase regret, to be honest. Other than more accurate and real-time HR, I don't know how the other features can help me. Lahat ng apparel ko is just a matter of preference. For the running vest or the belt bag and the shades, I suggest going to Decathlon for cheaper alternatives. I just tried foam rolling recently and I'm feeling better compared to before. Pero if you're okay naman without it, I think it's okay. For the camera, the Insta360 X3 is not required. Maganda lang talaga for action shots and multifunctional siya. But phone camera will suffice. Magaling lang talaga mambudol yung nagbebenta sa akin ng Insta360 X3 ko. Bottom line, if sobrang tight talaga ng budget, guys, the only necessity for me is a good pair of shoes. The rest are helpful, but it's not necessary.
Okay guys, what's your go-to running gear? And meron ba akong equipment na ginagamit nyo na hindi ko nabanggit sa video na to? Comment down below. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. Peace!